everyone. Welcome back to your English grammar classes. So now we are back again with a new topic in grammar, and the topic name is adjectives. Yes, adjectives or describing words. We will come to know about the definition of adjective. So adjectives are descriptive words that modify noun or pronoun. So adjectives are those words which describe about a noun and a pronoun. मतलब जो noun और pronoun होता है, pronoun मतलब I, we, you, they, he, it. Okay, so these are the pronouns. So noun और pronoun को जो describe करते हैं words, those are called adjectives. And adjectives tells us more about nouns or pronouns. So adjectives I told you कि वो nouns के बारे में हमें ज़्यादा बातें बताते हैं. First of all you should remember every time the noun. तो noun जैसे ही कोई कहे, whenever anyone says noun, that thing should click in your mind that noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing, or whatever we can think of is a noun. And pronoun are the words used in place of nouns. For example, Ram. So Ram is a boy, so for him we will use he. So he is a pronoun. So I think pronouns is clear to you and noun is also clear to you. So in जो nouns and pronouns को describe करते हैं and they tell us more about it, so these are called adjectives. For example, if I say this girl is beautiful, so I am talking about a girl. Girl is noun because girl is a person. Okay, but I am saying this girl is beautiful. So मैंने इस girl जो कि noun है, I told some more quality of a noun. So that quality, that word which is telling the quality of that noun is called as an adjective. So यहाँ पे beautiful, here beautiful will be an adjective. Adjectives tells us the quality of a noun or a pronoun. So adjectives also tell us the quality of a noun, means quality of a name, person, place, animal or thing. So quality can be good and quality can be bad also. For example, if I say Ramesh is a good boy and Ram is a bad boy. So here good and bad both are the qualities. One more important point about adjective is that adjective remains same for singular nouns or pronouns, plural nouns or pronouns. Okay, so singular and plural, you are very familiar with the terms and the topic. Singular means one, which is one जो single in number है, and plural means more than one. So adjective never changes for singular and plural. चाहे वो singular हो, चाहे वो एक चीज़ हो या एक इंसान हो या एक animal हो, whether it is one animal, thing, place, person, or more than one animal, place, thing or person. So the adjective will not change, and this I'll make you more clear with an example. So here you can see he lost his favorite pen. In first example you can see he. He means we are talking about a boy, and in place of a boy or his name we have used he. So he is a pronoun. He lost his favorite pen, and pen is a noun because it is a thing. So इस thing की और quality किसने बताई है? Favorite. मतलब उस boy की favorite pen है. So favorite will be an adjective. एंड यहाँ पे एक पेन है, सिंगल पेन, इट इज़ अ सिंगुलर नाउन. ओके, एंड इसी तरीके से सेम एग्जाम्पल इट इज़ रिटन डाउन वे. सो ही लॉस्ट हिज फेवरेट पेन्स, एंड यू कैन सी हियर आई हैव रिटन पेन्स मीन्स मोर देन वन पेन. इट इज़ अ प्लूरल नाउन बट द एडजेक्टिव फेवरेट हैज़ नॉट चेंज्ड. पहले एग्जाम्पल में भी इट इज़ फेवरेट ओनली, एंड इन सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इट इज़ फेवरेट. In first example it is a singular noun pen, and second example it is a plural noun pens. Okay, so remember this thing, for singular noun or plural noun adjective doesn't change. Let's take more examples about an adjective, and we have to identify what kind of adjective is it. Okay, so if I say kites, So kites means a noun because it is a thing. So there is no adjective because I am saying kite. So kite could be like anything. It can be big, small, colorful, colorless, and it could be of paper. It could be of anything. So we have to find a word which describes this noun. So that will be an adjective. So the next slide will show you what kind of kite it is. You can see here these are colorful kites, and from that picture we cannot identify of which kite and how many kites we are talking about. So the word colorful has told us, and many also has told us, that we are talking about colorful kites and many kites. Okay, so next is the candies. If I say candies, so you see the picture, can you identify? Here you can see there are many candies. So many or few. Many का opposite few. Many means बहुत सारा, few means थोड़ा. So many and few also defines the quality of a noun which is a candy. Candy is a noun and हमने क्या बताया कि वो बहुत सारी है, many. So many will be an adjective. So next example is flower. So here you can see beautiful flowers. Yes, there are many flowers, and if there was one flower also, then also we should have said that beautiful flower. Okay, for singular or for plural, adjective doesn't change. So beautiful is an adjective and flowers is a noun. So next example is building. So now you can see there are tall building also and there are short buildings also. लंबी building भी है और छोटी building भी है. So building is a noun because it is a place, it is a thing. Okay, and we have to tell कैसे building है, what kind of building it is. We are telling the quality of a building. Okay, we are telling more about a noun and we are telling that tall building and short building. So tall and short is an adjective. Okay, take some more example. This balloon is red in color. So here is balloon, which is a thing and which is a noun, and red says that the balloon is red in color. So red will be an adjective. Iqbal is an intelligent boy, and there is a name of a boy, and what is his name? Iqbal. So Iqbal is a noun, and what kind of boy he is? He is an intelligent boy. So intelligent is telling the quality of that boy. So intelligent will be an adjective. I have two books. Books is an adjective. Books is a noun. And how many books are there? Two books are there. So two will be an adjective. There are colorful butterflies in the garden. So butterflies will be an noun. And what kind of butterflies are they? They are colorful. So colorful will be an adjective. Let's see some of the more examples.